welcome back to my channel. So as you could tell, the lighting is kind of weird. I want to do this video as a first impression because I ordered this ring light online. It wasn't that expensive. It was only $27, I believe, and I wanted to test it out to see how it works. So yeah, right now it's nighttime, so it's like late at night. So I'm gonna try this out and see how I like it. So hopefully it works out, and hopefully I'm able to start filming videos during the night at least. So yeah, I ordered it from Amazon. I should have the link down in the description below, so check it out if you guys like my review and somewhat. So yeah, so it comes with like a mini stand like this for like your phone. And then it comes with the little, and it comes with this little phone holder as well. So this is how the phone holder looks like. I mean, you know, your typical phone holder. So you could just put it like that. And I have my phone like on my tripod that I normally use, so yeah. So this is how it looks, like this. It also comes with a bigger little tripod, and this is for like the actual ring light. And the ring light, it's 6-inch, I believe. I thought, to be honest, I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but I mean, it's alright. So I'm assuming this is like to make it taller, I believe. So I'm gonna put this here, and this is how the ring looks like. So it comes like this. It comes with its own little cord, and here's like the adjusted button. So this is how it looks. And yeah, so I thought it was gonna be like a little attachment for the adapter, but I guess you could attach it to like your phone. No, not your phone, your laptop, which I have it right here so I could connect it. So yeah, I mean, it's good. It's a good size for selfies. I mean, I'm not mad at that. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna connect this here. So I'm twisting it in. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna put it in front of my phone. So I'm gonna move my phone back so you guys can see it. Alright. So there's that. Now I'm just going to take these off from the cable so I can make it longer. I'm not trying to drop it or anything. Okay, so now I'm going to connect it to my laptop. Alright, see if it works. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it on. Whoa. Oh, okay. So I'm bringing it down. So this is low. I mean, it looks the same like my lighting in my room. Bringing it up. Bringing it more. This is the highest. I'm gonna kind of like close my eyes. So I believe this is the high. Oh yeah, it's too high. That's the highest right there. I'm bringing it down. I'm not mad. I mean, it's not bad. but it's not like great either. But it's like a good ring light to start off with, which is in my case. I know I've been doing videos for so long already, but I'm still like starting my channel. Still, it's still growing. It's still growing pretty much. So yeah, I like this one better. So yeah, like I said, I will link it. Oh, I didn't even notice this. So this is a warm light, medium. Ooh, I look glossy. Also, I just came back from work as well, so warm, cool. So I like that it has 3 settings on it. So yeah, so it came on this box. Doesn't really say much. It's just this ultra thin design, stylish appearance, 360 flicker, free lighting source, and wide angle light distribution, and micro USB power supply. So that's what it says. The ring light's right here, like right there, and my phone is like up higher, so I will need like a bigger tripod. It's at least a little bit bigger for where I could connect my phone and the ring light. But other than that, I feel like this is pretty good. Pretty much do like it. I do recommend it. Like I said, it's something to start off with, because you know ring lights do retail up to like 100, 200 or more. So yeah, so this is my phone being in front of the ring light. So let's see, I'm actually holding it right now. I'm not using like anything right now. So this is the highest setting, like with the phone actually being in front of it. There, I actually put the phone and the mini tripod that they sent me with it. So there. And the settings all the way high, low, high. I'm loving it actually. For being this small, it actually brightens pretty good. Warm. Cool. Alright, so let me just show it to you. So this is how it looks. Let me bring down the brightness. This is the remote right here. Okay, so this is the lowest setting. So my phone was right here, as you can see. As you can see, I'm like right there. Phone was right here, and the ring light's like right here. So this is how small it is. You guys could see it. And I could actually go smaller like that. This is the lowest it gets. Like that. And the phone would have been like right here for this. Like that. Ah! Fail. Nope. Yeah, you guys get the point. So pretty much this is how it would look. Like this. Phone being like right close to it. Guys, I do recommend it, like I mentioned. The ring light. Link will be down below. Like I said, it's like $27.99, I think. $27.99 or $24.99. I'll link the exact one that I bought down below, like I mentioned. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much it. This pretty much wraps up the video. If you guys want me to do like an updated one in a couple of months to see if I'm still liking the ring light, or to see if it's still working as good as how it is right now, just let me know. Also, any other video requests that you guys want me to do, let me know. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I am going to try to start filming more again, since classes are a little bit easier and I'm almost done as well. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.